Yeah, Rosie, I don't know. I don't really agree with what you're talking about.
You don't?
No. I just can't agree with Waffle Making Monkeys.
How can you not agree with my idea of waffle making monkeys, Michelle?
Rosie, they're monkeys. They weren't made to make waffles. Okay?
Yes. No, it's my idea. I love my idea. I'm gonna stick to it.
Well, I disagree with your idea.
No, it's a good idea.
It's a horrible idea.
I don't care.
I don't think the monkeys are gonna like this very much.
I'm angry.
Oh, Rosie, you just wait till the monkeys hear about this.
Oh, really? Is that the monkeys? Maybe it was somebody at the door. I'll go check it out. Oh, it's just a cat. Oh! Get out of here!
Rosie? What was that?
It was just a cat.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's freezing in here.
Yeah, it's cold.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna put my jacket on.
Why is it so cold?
I don't know.
Oh, the freezer's open! How did that happen?